Are you looking for the best electric pressure washer in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best electric pressure washer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot 32 OSI Gas Pressure Washer. If ever there was an aptly named piece of outdoor power equipment, the MegaShot is it. For the money, you get a big Honda engine with massive air cooling fins on its head and an equally hefty pump, complete with anodized hose fitting. And the combined action of that engine and pump produce a lot of dirt blasting capability. No, this isn't a commercial power washer. You'd need to spend another $1,000 to get there. But it comes about as close as you're going to get at this price. We used it to blast clean concrete, dirty vinyl siding and trim, mildewed wood, outdoor furniture that could only be described as grotesque, and equally nasty vinyl fencing. While we were at it, we blasted anything else in the vicinity that looked even remotely dirty. Our verdict: this is a productive, no-nonsense pressure washer complete with a pull rod choke and a big red on-off switch. But hey, pull that choke, yank the recoil starter, and that big Honda roars to life in seconds. Demerits: its hose appears to be very durable, but boy is that thing stiff. It will likely take a lot of use before it softens up a bit. Up next in the 4th place is the Sunjoe SPX 3000 2030 Max Psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric high pressure washer. Light-duty washing doesn't get much more inexpensive or portable than this compact pressure washer. For your money, you get a foaming soap dispenser and 2 cleaning brushes, one general and the other designed to clean automotive wheels. You also get a full set of nozzles. The machine's ergonomics are very good. The hose outlets, the on-off switch, and the carrying handle are well shaped and located to make this little machine easy to use. But it tips over easily on grass or other uneven surfaces due to its small wheels and vertical configuration. It's best confined to working on pavement. We worked the SPX 3000 very hard and found its cord and GFCI were quite warm when we were done. There's only so much these small machines can withstand when you run them relentlessly on a summer day, with temperatures hovering between 80 and 90 degrees. The 3rd product on our list is the Generac 8874-29 OSI 2.4 GPM gas-powered residential pressure washer. This Generac is classified as a residential pressure washer, but it's a different category of machine, closer to the commercial end of the spectrum. Pick up the spray wand on this thing, and that becomes clear very quickly. The big engine and equally large horizontal shaft pump have more than enough oomph to tackle tough cleaning jobs. We also like the thermal relief valve that discharges water from the pump after 3 to 5 minutes of the spray wand not being used. By helping the pump run cooler, you extend its life. In terms of power, consider this demonstration. We blasted clean a portico by holding the spray wand at about 45 degrees, and as we walked forward, the combined blast of air and water simultaneously cleaned the brick surface and blasted out loose debris like sand and leaves. Given that level of performance, we think the 8874 is a lot of machine for the money. Not everybody needs that much cleaning power, but it's good to know that it's there if you need it. Its only demerit was typical of pressure washers, and that is the poorly designed holder for hanging the spray wand. Second on our list is the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot 32 OSI Gas Pressure Washer. Though this pressure washer is the most expensive on the list, we think the price is justified by the machine's exceptional power. The model, which has 5 quick connect spray tips, a max Psi of 3200 and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM, is more closely aligned with a professional-grade piece of equipment. It's more than what the average homeowner will need, but it's a great pick for any DIYer who favors performance and strength above all. Just be aware that at 65 pounds, it's not as easy to lug around as other models. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt Cordless Pressure Washer. If you need a pressure washer that can go wherever you do, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Power Cleaner is the best choice. The body of the machine is roughly the same size as a DeWalt cordless drill, making it easy to toss in a work bag or hang on the wall of your workshop. It uses the same 20V Max batteries as other DeWalt cordless power tools, so you don't have to worry about maintaining special batteries for the pressure washer. On a full charge, you'll get about 30 minutes of work, which should be plenty of time to tackle most light-duty cleaning jobs. This model can connect directly to a garden hose for a constant water supply, and the 550 Psi and 1.0 GPM rating make it perfect for light-duty tasks like washing your car, clearing debris and dirt from your sidewalk, or rinsing outdoor furniture. The tool weighs just under 2 pounds, so it's comfortably lightweight enough to use on all-day jobs. The ergonomic handle and trigger configuration also reduce strain on your hands, wrists, and forearms for comfortable operation. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.